Alright, so this is 407 18th Ave in Indian Rocks. I just popped the clean out in the drive, and it's all full of toilet paper. So we're going to see if we can't push through it, then flush it out, then we should be able to inspect the line. Appears to be PVC, and I've got the toilet paper here, so we're going to run some water in here now and flush this out. Alright, so PVC pipe, I'm going to pause this until we can get the unit opened up and get inside. Alright, I'm going to pull back. I think there's a big wad of toilet paper stuck on my camera. Yep, there it is. Let's see if we can push that sucker through here. Alright, so I pushed all the way out to City Clay. We're just going to have to flush this line out before we can get a good look at it with the camera. There we go. We're getting good flow through here now. I'm going to let it record as we flush some more water through here just to try to get all that toilet paper debris out that we had in here when I first started. I know it's going to be a lengthy video. I just want to make sure everything's documented. just dumped the washing machine. We got awesome flow going through here now. Alright, I know I've got water running, but I'm going to go upstream and inspect. I just want to take a look at the line all the way back. This is going back towards the intercoastal. Cast iron line, and it appears to be in good shape. I don't see any issues with it. So we just turned and went under the end unit. We're 40 feet out, so we're actually under, what's that, number 1 or number 4? That'd be under number 4. Alright, I am going to have the gentleman here flush the toilet so we can see the flow coming out of number 4. I'm going to watch it come right at us. Sitting in a 3x3 combo under number 4. Boom! There's our toilet flush. That's beautiful. Typical cast iron pipe. It's in good shape. There's a test tee for number 4 whenever that pipe was put in. And I'm going to run back to the clean out. All this pipe looks good. Cast iron again, it looks like it's in good shape. Don't see any issues with it. We're holding some water here. This is right where the clean out is. So I'm going to have to take my guard off the camera. I want to check the cast iron to PVC connection. Alright, so I'm back in the clean out going downstream, and I'm going to have to run some water here to clean this up, see if I can get a good image. Alright, so I am literally about 4 to 5 inches past where you can look down in the clean out, and when we first got here, I showed it was all full of toilet paper. That toilet paper is getting hung up on this tiny little belly right here. This is going from PVC to cast iron. So we're still underwater. I've got a lot of water flowing in that back unit. I've gone all the way this way to the city tap, which is clay. There's no roots, there's no cracks, there's no breaks, and you can see how good the flow is down through here. I've got my guard off the camera, so we're just barely off the bottom of the pipe. But this is just with a shower running in unit 4 right now. Everything's flowing good. So I'll go back to this little 5-inch spot right here. That's right, literally right at the clean out is where it's holding a little bit of water. And we'll see if we can go back up the other way to see where it starts. So now we're going into the water flow. And we're going to go inside and turn the water off so we can take a look and see how long the belly is. Pause this guy. Alright, so cast iron, beautiful flow coming back this way. They must have just cut in a real short piece for the clean out. That's the only issue I see with the whole line is just right where this cast iron is connected to the PVC. There's just a little small dip in the line right there. And I'll mark that spot so we know exactly where it is. I'm going to conclude the video.